how to turn on NSFW content on Reddit. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily enable the NSFW content that will be shown on the Reddit. It's not an app, but you can use your browser to change the settings. So the first thing you want to do is open your browser and then search for reddit.com. Once you are inside your Reddit, you can just search for Reddit here and then make sure to log into your account. So once you have logged in, as you can see, I've already logged in here. You want to tap on your profile at the top right corner and head over to your settings. But before we go any further, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's continue. Now once you're inside your settings, you will see different tabs on top of your screen like account, profile, privacy. You just want to head over to preferences, and under your preferences you will see the content menu. Right below that settings you will see show mature content. I'm over 18, so you just want to turn it on and make sure that yes, you are over 18. And by doing this, you can also show recommendations. You can blur the images, 18 plus images and media if you want. So you can toggle this option, but if this option is off, you cannot change the second option. Make sure to turn it on first, and then you can choose whether to blur the NSFW media or not. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.